Hey, what's up, you guys? Today we're gonna be getting rid of all this buildup on the muffler tips on this Z011 Elite, and we picked up this ball buster from Chemical Guys. This is the item number ACC400, and it's this. And we also picked up this heavy metal polish. So what we're gonna do first is we got a bucket of water, and we got some Dawn dish soap. So we're gonna put some of this in there to get at least some of it off before we use the metal polish. We got an old rag, a really old rag. We're gonna use another towel, another one of the old towels, just to get the soap off. That's it. Alright, so now we're gonna put some of this metal polish in the ball. There's a big difference from the dirty one. I'm gonna give it one more pass, and then we're gonna move on to the one on the outside. Alright, so you can see a big difference between the clean one and the dirty one. So let me get to the rest of them, and then I'll put you guys back on. Alright, so I just finished off 4 mufflers, and this is how they came out. You could also do it on the outside, because it does get a bit grimy back here. Once we're done using this, we're gonna dip it in some soapy water, rinse it out real good, and let it air dry before we use it again next time. Now let's try it out on the wheels on the Blazer. I just did this little part of the lip right here, and you can see a difference. This is part of the rim that I didn't do, and then this is the part that I did do. So what we're gonna end up doing is removing these wheels, all 4 wheels, and we're gonna hit it with this polish thing and see how they come out. So that'll be for our next video. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram at youngkid_oxcfilms, and we'll catch you in the next one.